Good evening. Recently, 4 Jamaican young footballers were selected to attend the MLS Caribbean Combine in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. The 4 Jamaicans, Jadine White and Alex Marshall of Cavalier, Malik Foster of Portmore United, and O'Neal Anderson of Arnett Gardens were listed among the 22 players to participate at the January 9 to 11 event, where they would have been seen or would have been hoping to impress scouts for the various teams in Major League Soccer. White did not make the trip due to a mix-up with his flight arrangements, while Marshall also had some flight arrangement hiccup and returned home before the combine had concluded and was also not able to parade his skills for the scouts in attendance. So the only Jamaican they got a look at was Foster, and according to reports, he acquitted himself quite well. Now, while the circumstances which affected White and Marshall were quite unfortunate, the story surrounding Anderson must serve as a wake-up call to other young players, as well as their coaches, parents, guardians, and other club officials. Anderson got to the camp a day late after experiencing hindrances in securing a ticket to travel, but he then compounded matters by arriving at his first training session 20 minutes late, according to assistant coach at Real Salt Lake and former reggae boy Tyrone Marshall. Now, Marshall said what would have been good was for Anderson to get to the training session at least half an hour before the scheduled start. On a few occasions, young players from Jamaica go on trials at various clubs, but sometimes when they are not successful and the checks are made, we're told that the reason or reasons behind their unsuccessful trials, according to some managers, is that they often refer to players' attitude. And let me tell you, punctuality and the approach to training, as well as camaraderie among other training partners, all form part of attitude. I hope other local club officials will take the O'Neal Anderson experience to drive home the subject of punctuality to other young players who could find themselves going on trials in due course. I'm Spencer Darlington. Good evening.